Do you want to know how to get paid to take photos on your phone, and if the Microwork app really is a great way to do this? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have joined and tested this app myself and compared it to the hundreds of different other free online earning methods I have tested. And in this Microwork app review, I will give you an inside look and show exactly how it works and show you both the pros and the cons, and then you can decide for yourself if this is really the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log into the Microwork app and show you how it works, I just first want to go over who can join. And the great thing is that you can join Microwork no matter the country you live in. And it is an app, so you do need to download the app, and you can do that via Google Play. At the moment of recording this video here, it is not yet available through the App Store here, but they do say on the website that it will be coming soon. So maybe by the time that you watch this video here, it already has that app ready as well. But how many earning opportunities you will get will depend where you live, not only the country, but also where in the country you live. And I will show you why that is once I log inside. So let me now pull the app up on the screen here so you can see exactly how it works. So I have now pulled Microwork app up on my screen here, and it is very user-friendly, to be honest. It's very easy to find your way around here. And the way you can earn here is just by scrolling through here and seeing the different tasks. And then you just simply click it if you want to see more information about one of the tasks here. And then you just get a short little overview here. And in this case here, you can see that I would be able to earn 5 cents per photo that I upload here. This is for most of the tasks I have seen around what I can get. Again, that can vary depending on the country you live in, but also from task to task. But for the photo task, this is the usual rate that I have been able to find anyways. There are sometimes other tasks I will talk about a little bit later, and sometimes tasks can give you quite a lot more per task you do here. But also be aware this is per photo, so if you do plenty of tasks and some of them will require you to publish several photos, then you can earn quite a bit more per task, and then it does not take long. You just need to make sure that you click here also to read the full description, and here then you can see what you need to do. And it's very important you follow all this here to the letter, because if you do not do that, you will not get paid. So if you just follow this here, it is very easy to actually earn here. So one thing you also need to be aware of is that up here in the corner, you can see there is a little extra thing you can click here. And this here is where you can choose the max distance. And this is because some of the tasks you need to do are at specific locations, or where you need to go out and find certain things that you do not have at home. Other things or other tasks you might be able to do from home. And here you can then choose to have shown the tasks that are only, for example, within 5 kilometers distance from you, or up to 100 here, because that of course also is something you need to take into consideration, that if I got some photo tasks where I would need to travel 50 kilometers to be able to find a place where I could take those photos, then it would not really make sense to earn 5 cents per photo if it's only a few photos. So this is just something you need to be aware of also. But I just put it here because then I get the most earning opportunities, most tasks available, and then I just choose based on that if I want to do a task or not. So this is the main way of earning inside Microwork, and personally I have found most of these photo tasks here, but there are also sometimes other tasks. So let's just talk a little bit about those also. So you can see up here there is a menu. So if you click that, you can see that this is where you can see some photo statistics, video statistics, and survey statistics. And this also means that sometimes you can find other tasks than just these photo tasks here. So even if you do not like taking photos on your phone, or it's just not tasks that you really find so interesting, then sometimes you can find also where you need to record videos, or you can answer surveys. However, personally, I have not found any of these tasks yet, but that can of course just be because of the country I live in or my location. If you tried any of these other tasks, or any of the photo tasks for that matter, I would love to hear about your experiences in the comment below. So just please share there so everyone can see each other's experiences there, that would definitely be great. But this is just where you go to see the statistics. The tasks themselves you will see in the overview that I just showed before. But let's also talk a little bit more about how you can then get paid and when you can get paid, because that's of course also very important to know. So let me just close the app and then we'll talk a little bit more about that. So I have now jumped back to Microwork's website here, and according to this here, you can get paid in Ether or Ethereum. Personally, I think that's a great way to get paid because I'm really interested in cryptocurrencies, and ETH or Ether, Ethereum, whatever you call it, is one of the ones that I personally would love to invest a little bit or have invested a little bit in, and I do love using different platforms where I can earn it for free because I do believe in its long-term potential. And the great thing about getting paid in cryptocurrencies, if you choose the right cryptocurrencies, is that what you earn now can be worth a lot more in the future potentially. Of course, there's no guarantee of that, but that's something I personally believe when it comes to something like getting paid in Ether or Bitcoin for that matter. And there are actually not a lot of these get paid to sites and apps that offer to pay in Ethereum. There are some great options. I also have a full list of some really great platforms for that on my website. I will leave a link below here so you can find that. But you can also get paid in Ether via Microwork. And you can see you only need to earn $1 to be able to get paid, which is really great. And then you can take your earnings out to any Ethereum wallet. However, when you are on the website, it looks like you can only get paid in Ether. But when you're inside the app, you can also choose to get paid via PayPal. So if you prefer getting paid in cash, that is also an option, or at least that's an option in my country. I cannot guarantee that it will be in all, but I do like that they have a low payout threshold, and great that they both have Ether and PayPal as payout options. Both of them definitely great ways to get paid. And which one you should choose, of course, depends if you prefer cash here now or to get paid in a cryptocurrency that might become worth a lot more in the future. So the payout options definitely great, but how much can you then overall expect to earn? Let's talk a little bit about that next. So according to Microwork App's own explanation here, you can earn anything from around 5 cents per photo, as you can see here, and some tasks even offer several dollars. And in my experience also where I live anyways, I usually get around these 5 cents per photo here for the different tasks. I have not yet come across tasks that offer several dollars, but again, that can just be because of my location and things like that. If you have any experiences about that, again, please share below here. It would be great to hear. Also, it says here that some users have been able to earn more than $80 in a single week, depending on how much time they spend. And I just want to make it clear that this is maybe a few top earners that in some weeks have been able to do this. This is not what you should expect to be able to earn every single week, because how many tasks that will be available will vary from time to time. Sometimes there might not be a lot of tasks, other times there might be more and more high paying. But no matter what is important to understand is that Microwork App is not a way to make a full-time income or anything like that. It is a way to make a little bit of extra money on the side by doing things that can be fun at the same time. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and also you need to choose your task wisely so you do not spend too much time running around to do these tasks, and focus on tasks you can do from home or close to your home, or when you are out and about anyways. You do not need to spend extra time and money to get to locations. So as you can see, Microwork App can be a fun and interesting way to earn a bit extra, but it will not make you huge earnings, and it can take a little bit of patience depending on where you live. But it is a little bit different, and it offers some different tasks than many other get paid to apps, and therefore it can be an extra interesting app to join if you like doing the tasks it offers. And also I do like the payout options that it offers to pay in Ethereum, which not a lot of apps like this do. And you can also get paid in PayPal Cash, and it has a low payout threshold. So those things are great. You just need to be aware that this is not a way to make huge earnings. It will take some patience and some effort, but then it can be a fun way to earn a bit extra on the side. But as mentioned, there are also other great apps and platforms where you can earn Ethereum and where you can find even more tasks. So if you want to, for example, earn Ethereum or PayPal for that matter, then you should make sure to also use other apps in addition to Microwork. And I will leave a link below here to full list of ways you can also use to earn more if you want to boost your earnings. So make sure to check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video here helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.